Get 'em.
Welcome to the most professional show on the web. Behold the professional show.
What up, ladies and gentlemen? It is me, you know me, your homie, Jake Juggalo. Today, we're gonna go on a boat. A little, tiny, ghetto boat. The thing is, I gotta drag that little boat all the way here. By hand. Yes. So, it's gonna make a whole lot of noise, and it's gonna take a whole lot of time. So, here we go. Before we go on this boat ride, we gotta make sure to secure the whole place by this ancient chain of protection. See, this way, you can't get out. You're stuck. So, now, we're gonna find out who's the captain of this boat. Oh, wait. That's gonna be me. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this tiny little boat across the pond. But the thing is, we gotta do this again by hand. Here we go. Don't worry. I know exactly what I'm doing. I am a professional. need to go pee-pee. Really bad. Have a good day.